And also Ukrainians like to have fun, to make jokes and to dance. And we have lots of different sorts, different varieties of dances according to the different regions of Ukraine. And I'm so happy that our friends from Dance Factory, right? Dance Factory Swakopmund, they prepared for us a surprise. They learned Ukrainian traditional dance. And honestly, I don't know how to dance, seriously, but I like to watch. And every time when I watch Ukrainian dance, I just have tears on my eyes. It's very emotional and it's part of my culture and it's just very beautiful. Okay, so ladies, you're welcome and we are looking forward to see what you prepared for us.